Discovery Loading Tutorial. Disassemble the seat under the driver's seat. Connect the wires provided by our company. Routing. Remove the original car air outlet. Remove the original emergency light button. Disassemble the original car air conditioning panel. The half-width socket at the back is combined with the box we provided. The front half with a knob is not needed. Assemble and screw it. The screws need to be tightened. Install 4G antenna and GPS antenna. Installing a microphone. Install the original emergency button onto the base provided by our company. Wire. Assemble the central control screen and tighten the screws. Wire. Remove the buttons on both sides of the original car's central control screen. Connect the wires, wrap them up and place them in the center console. Wire. Connect the assembled air conditioning screen to the wire, wrap it, and place it inside the central control panel. Connect the screen cables properly. Install the screen and screw it in. Replace the original silver decorative strip with the silver decorative strip provided by our company. Remove the silver strip back from the original car and install it onto our company's silver decorative strip. Installation is complete.